Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's videos I will show you Decor woodcrafts ideas. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is the viewers wooden slice decoration. Small slice of wood can be used for many different projects. You can paint flower, leaves, butterfly or simple patterns on them. You can also write words such as welcome, home, love or garden. This wooden sink can be placed around your home or outdoor space. Wooden coaster. Wood slices make wonderful nature coaster. You can leave them plain for a simple rustic look or decorate them with the paint. Try painting flower, leaves, fruit, geometric pattern. Make a matching set and place them on your coffee table. They are simple, useful and beautiful. And we were wooden photo frame. So viewers, use small wooden sticks or thin piece of scrap wood to create the frame. You can keep the wood nature or paint it. Add small decorations such as flower, beads, top or dry leaves. Place your favorite photographs inside. A handmade wooden photo frame can also make a lovely gift. And friends, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video, viewers. So friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. See you in the next video. Khuda Hafiz.